Hey everybody, Greg Luchak with the Luchak Group at Keller Williams Client's Choice Realty, bringing you another exciting home listing tour. The property we're at today is 4556 Bramble Lane. This home is located in a fantastic and convenient neighborhood, just minutes to Fort Carson as well as Peterson Air Force Base. You've got a big lot that spans nearly 2/10 of an acre and sits in a half circle. So you've got plenty of room for playing outside without through traffic. And you've got a huge backyard that has 2 additional storage sheds, a huge covered deck, as well as a separate fire pit. You've got additional parking in front, as well as a big 2-car garage. The home is smartly positioned facing east, so you get fantastic afternoon shade on this deck space. You're just steps from community parks, and again, easy access to the power shopping corridor, as well as those military bases. You've got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, including a true master suite, and you've got 1,300 square feet. Let's go inside and take a closer look. As you walk up to enter this home, you're going to notice a beautiful Yale lock system that's set up for remote locking, very convenient. And as you enter the home, you're going to walk into beautiful high-end laminate flooring that gives a great wood look as you enter that beautiful formal living room. This house gets a ton of natural light with the big windows, as well as skylights and vaulted ceilings. This room makes a dramatic first impression. As we transition from the living room into the kitchen and dining area, you're gonna notice that you've got these beautiful blue cabinets here in the kitchen, beautiful tile floors, a large kitchen pantry. All the kitchen appliances are included. And of course, you've got beautiful big windows that lead you out to that big backyard. Just steps down from the kitchen and the dining room, we enter the big family room space. This family room space has a big brick, original wood-burning fireplace. It's in fantastic condition. You can see it's got a beautiful big wood mantle as well. You've got updated lighting with that ceiling fan. You've got access through a slider to that big covered deck. It is really unusual that you find a deck this size, an outdoor space this size, in a backyard this size, in this neighborhood, in this price point. I think this is a real differentiating feature that you have with this property among any others in your price point. You've got double pane vinyl windows throughout the home, and just off the family room here, you've got access to the laundry, as well as that big 2-car garage. Now, as we go to the upper level, we've got the sleeping quarters. We've got 3 spacious bedrooms. You'll notice these bedrooms have big vaulted ceilings. They look really large. It's got a true master suite. So you see you've got a big master bedroom with good closet space and an attached bathroom. So no sharing a bathroom with those messy kids. The master bathroom has also been nicely updated with some faux tile surround and some really stylish upgrades. You've got 2 other spacious bedrooms, both with large closets, vaulted ceilings, contemporary colors, nice carpet, and again, you've got a second full bathroom that's been nicely updated. There are 6-panel doors and nickel hardware throughout the home. This house is really cute. It's gonna make a fantastic impression on your guests and friends. For more information about 4556 Bramble Lane, please visit our website at www.makespringshome.com. Or if you'd like a private tour, please give me a call, 719-271-8888. Thanks so much for checking it out.